Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Walbi, an AI-powered crypto trading platform promising up to 500 times leverage and automated trading signals. With AI trading bot scams costing investors $4.6 billion in 2023, is Walbi legit or just another bot scam? Let's break down the evidence. So Walbi is a crypto trading platform registered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, offering AI-powered trading signals, automated bots, and leverage up to 500 times. The app uses neural networks to scan news, analyze trends, and generate trading signals you can execute with a swipe. They claim zero hidden fees, instant execution, and personalized AI analytics. Here's the mixed reality. Wabi is a real platform. It exists on app stores and has functioning features. However, it's registered in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is an offshore jurisdiction with minimal regulatory oversight. This is a yellow flag, not definitive proof of a scam, but it means less consumer protection if things go wrong. Trustpilot reviews shows 212 ratings with mixed feedback. Some users praise the interface and say AI analysis helps with trend recognition. However, some multiple scam recovery spam comments flood the review pages, people claiming they lost money to Walby and need recovery services. This pattern is suspicious and often indicates victim of trading losses. On Google Play and reviews.io, real complaints emerge. One user reported the AI bot made $150 one day, then lost everything plus $90 more the next day. Another deposited $20 for a trial and watched the AI take 50 trades, losing half their capital. Most concerning is that users report the bot taking both long and short positions simultaneously, which guarantees net loss due to fees. The company's response to complaints is telling the accuracy of our AI can vary from day to day, depending on the market. This is honest, but also confirms that the bot is not consistently profitable. First, 500 times leverage is extremely dangerous. The level of leverage means that you can lose your entire account on tiny price movements. Legitimate platforms warn against high leverage. It's designed for experienced traders, not beginners. Second, offshore registration with zero mention of which regulatory bodies oversee them. St. Vincent and Grenadines doesn't regulate forex or crypto trading effectively. Third, the CFTC warns that AI cannot predict sudden market changes, and no trading bot can guarantee profits. Yet Wabi's marketing heavily implies consistent returns through AI automation. Fourth, deposit issues. At least one user reported funds not reflecting in their wallet after deposit, which is a massive red flag for any platform. Trading bot scam experts warn if reviews are all positive, it's suspicious. Walby has mixed reviews, which is more realistic. However, the offshore registration, extremely high leverage, and AI accuracy that varies day to day makes it risky. Legitimate AI trading bots exist, but they require proper coding, testing, and realistic expectations. Most real bots achieve modest returns, not get-rich-quick schemes. The fact that Walby users report significant losses despite AI optimization suggests the bot isn't as effective as advertised. The final verdict: Wabi is technically legitimate. It's not a complete scam that steals deposits outright. However, it's high risk with offshore registration, inconsistent AI performance, and dangerous leverage levels. The platform appears designed more to generating trading fees from your losses than to make you profitable. Even if the AI works occasionally, crypto trading with 500 times leverage means you can lose everything instantly. That's gambling, not investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.